Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome to my channel, because I'm sure the way my views are looking is probably your first time here. But I got these box braids done the other day and I decided to add some jewels to it, and I was like, let me just make a video of me doing it. So right now I have some in it already. Not many. I have like 2 of these little packs in. This is the first time me putting jewels in my box braids. I've had them so many times, but for some reason I don't know, I just never have done this. So I just went to the beauty supply store and went a little crazy. So I have 2 more of these. Let's see. 2 more of these. And I have 2 of these, 1 pack of these shells. Not quite sure on how to put those in, but I don't know, I guess we'll figure it out. And 2 of these. And then I have this, like, I don't know, it's like, you'll see as I do it, it's not like a regular string, but this, and then some gold string I'm gonna wrap around a couple pieces. So we're gonna be doing this together and learning together. I'll definitely be learning because you see I kind of put them in, but I don't know, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't want it to be too much because sometimes I feel like girls will have like all the decorations in their hair and it's just like too much. So yeah, so I will be right back. All right, so I'm back. I opened all the packs and I put all the little jewels and shells and everything. I put them in this little jewelry holder that my mom got me. It's so cute. But anyway, so I put it in here to make it easier. And then I kind of unwrapped some of the string. Cool thing about this is it's kind of boingy. I don't know if they're all like that or if they're just like, I thought it was just gonna be like string, you know, not boingy, but I like that it's boingy. Has like the elastic in it. And then this, it's like a tube. I don't know if you can tell, where is the end of it? Yeah, so it's like a tube. So I don't know how this is gonna look wrapped around. I feel like it'll be cute. So yeah, so I have this, the string, and the little jewels, and some scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by finishing putting these on. So I have 2 more packs of these, which is 12. So I'm gonna put some more like in the front and like different places, and then I'm gonna have it like kind of go down a little. Like I don't want it to be too much because I still have these like bigger ones that I'm gonna like hang. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start putting these around. I'm probably gonna like speed it up because, you know, this is just to give you an idea of how you want yours to be, not just like for you to do exactly. It'll be too hard to put them exactly where I put mine. Alright, so I'm done with these little ones right here. I put them throughout. I tried to put them like different random places and I wanted them to like go down lower. I will say like the lower braids are clearly smaller, so make sure you wrap them around good, like nice and tight, so they won't like just slide out. So this is what it's looking like so far. I really like it. I think it looks so cute. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to I don't know if I should do these ones or the string first. I think I'm just gonna put the strings like in here, not like on the top one. So yeah, I'm gonna put them in one of these like back braids, like probably like 4 of them. So I'm gonna do these. I don't know where to put it. I don't know, just random places, I guess, like by my face. So this one I'll put right here. It's a little close to this piece. Maybe I should, you know, I should put it lower. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put it a little lower. Put it right here. And then I'm gonna put the other 3 on, just different places. All right, so I put those in, and this is what it's looking like. I definitely took it out like multiple times because it'll be like, I don't know, like facing the wrong way. But yeah, this is what it's looking like with those. I think it is so cute. I wish I would have got more of these because it's like, I like them. These, I like the little shine, but it's a little too much. I think I like these better. These little like arrowheads. I don't know, I might go back and get some more of those and switch these out. But for now, I'm just gonna keep them in. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to put these beads on there. I mean, these shells. So the lady in the beauty supply store, she said like you stick it through the hole and then push it up. But like if I wanted it, I guess they're just gonna have to be lower. So I'm just gonna put these random places. It's only 6 of them. And then I'll be back and show you how I'm gonna put the thread in. All right, so I'm done with these shades. Forgive me. I'm done with these shells. I kind of like put them at the bottom because that's like the only way I could pull them all the way up. Oh, look, that's as high as I got it. So it has to be an easier way to put those on. Like if you know below, please like put it in a comment so I know, because I know I had to be putting it in wrong. Like there's no way that's how it's supposed to be done. That was just way too hard. Okay, so I even left one shell because I'm like, you know what? I don't even feel like doing it. So I'm going to wrap one of these inside braids with the strand. I'm gonna do like the crisscross, and I'm just gonna fast forward while I do that. Okay, to say the least, that was very tedious, like very. So this is the little crisscross. I feel like mine doesn't look as cute as everyone else's, but I added this little part at the bottom. I think that's cute. I wanted one of those like in the inside so it could kind of like, you know, not be too much, because I already got like way more charms in my head than I thought I would. So I'm gonna put one more of these on this side, and then I'm gonna show you how I do that tube stuff. Right, so I'm finally almost done. You can see my little one over here, and then this one, I did this one a little tighter, I think, but whatever. It's just subtle, it's not too much. And then the little ends, I think that's cute. And last but not least, I'm going to wrap this around. I think I'm only gonna do one, and I'm gonna start all the way from the top, probably this one. All right, so it looks a little jank, but you know, up close, but no one should be that close to me to see that. So yeah, so this is my final look. I'm going to make sure I insert a video at the end of me actually like standing up and somebody recording me. you know, and I'll spin around so you can see how it looks in the back, because the way this is set up, there's, I mean, I can try to show you. So this is the front. You can see everything. And then the bottom part. Ooh. You can see my little shells at the bottom. Love, love, love. And then some more of these. And I'm pretty sure everyone can tell that this part, this like blonde orangey part, is my hair. But if you can't, that's my hair. It's not like braiding hair that's that color. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions on how I should do better with applying any of the jewels, please let me know, especially the shells, because that was the hardest part for me. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you go check out the rest of my videos and have a great day.